Translating algebraic expressions. In this video, we will look at mathematical problems that can be written either numerically or in words. From there, we will look at how to translate from one language, the words, to another language, mathematics. The first step in this process is to use a dictionary. A list of the common terms in English with its corresponding mathematical interpretation will be given in the next few slides. We will use this later in the lesson. Cubed, example, 3 cubed. We would write this as 3 to the exponent 3. Divided by, for example, 8 divided by c would be written as 8 with the divide sign c. 4/5. 4/5 means 4 out of 5, which would be a ratio fraction. Minus, 5 minus 6. Minus means to subtract, so we would write it as 5 minus 6. Of, 3/5 of 4 means 3 out of 5 times 4. What about 1/6? This means 1 out of 6, which would be then our fraction 1 over 6. Now we all know, hopefully, that plus means to add. K plus 3 would be written as K with the operator plus sign 3. Product means to multiply. The product of 5 and B would be 5 times B. Squared. 5 squared would be an example, means 5 to the exponent 2. Subtract, of course, 8 subtract 4 would be 8 minus 4 with the minus sign. Sum, of course, means to add. The sum of 3 and 4 would be 3 plus 4 times multiply, 6 times D, or 6 times D. For example, 3 consecutive integers that are odd. Let x represent the first integer. The second integer would then be x plus 2, and the third integer would be x plus 4. Now, let's see what you can do. We do not see things as they are, we see things as we are. Here are some examples. Translate this algebraic expression. 5 times the sum of 7 and g. This would mean 5 bracket 7 plus g. Sum 7 and g first and then multiply by 5. Another example. Translate this algebraic expression. Take away 3 from 2 times c. We would first multiply 2 times c and then subtract 3. Another example. Translate this algebraic expression. 9 is added to 1/5 of k. So we would first of all find 1/5 of k, 1 over 5 times k, then plus 9. Example 4. Translate this algebraic expression. 2 is subtracted from 1/3 of d. Solution, 1/3 times d minus 2. Example 5. Translate this algebraic expression. The sum of 2/5 of w and 2/3 of h minus 9. So we want 2/5 of w plus 2/3 of h minus 9. Example 6. G squared plus the product of 8 and m plus 5. Solution, g squared plus 8 times m plus 5. Did you get it? Remember, ask for help when needed.